It's all mindset. It's all mindset. That's what a client of mine declared after he saw a $300,000 revenue drop in 3 months, which revealed the costly truth about entrepreneurial mindset after trying to do it all himself. Let me explain. Last year, while I was working with this client, is one of my favorite clients. They almost doubled their already 7-figure revenue while maintaining an impressive 30% profit margin. Then they made a classic entrepreneur mistake. All right, Mark, I got this. I'm going to do it myself now. 3 months later, revenue down $300,000, team morale crumbling, leadership confidence shaken. Unfortunately, I've seen this happen before, and I know how you can turn it around if it happens to you. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Mark Dharma, and I help 7-figure coaches, course creators, and infopreneurs quantum leap to $1 million per month without burning out or sacrificing your life. I've helped industry titans like Sam Evans and Ty Lopez shatter their revenue ceilings, and now I'm sharing my proven $1 coaching method with you. So if you're hitting 6 or 7 figures and ready to take your business revenue to the next level, you're in the right place. So subscribe and hit the notification bell for cutting-edge strategies to achieve your $1 million per month goal faster than you thought possible. So here's the problem. As entrepreneurs, we've been conditioned with rugged individualism. I don't need help. I can do all of this on my own, we say. And you probably can, but it will cost you speed, results, and leave you frustrated. So last week, when I jumped on a call with this client, they admitted the hard truth. Mark, I lost my way trying to do it all on my own. Now, don't get me wrong. You probably did get to 6 or maybe even 7 figures mostly on your own, except maybe with the help of some online courses, live events, books, audiobooks, and other mentors. But going from 7 to 8 figures fast is a path tread by only a few. In fact, it's estimated that only 0.06% of businesses ever achieve 8-figure revenue. So that's 6 out of every 100,000 businesses make this. So the bottom line is getting to $1 million a month is a different game that needs different level of support. My client stopped working with me within those 3 months because they got it on their own. But the decline showed something profound about the mindset that most entrepreneurs never understand until it's too late and it's costing them dearly. So here's the first truth. What mindset really is. So what is mindset anyway? Everyone talks about mindset like we know what it is, but we don't stand a chance of knowing anything until we define it. So after working with thousands of entrepreneurs over a 17-year coaching career and a master's degree in organizational psychology, I believe when entrepreneurs talk about mindset, we're really talking about 4 specific things. The first is getting crystal clear on what you truly want. What's your goal? What's your target? The second is making an unshakable commitment to achieving it. And the third is maintaining the emotional energy to push through anything until you hit your target. And number 4 is enjoying the journey. I believe when we're talking about mindset, we're really talking about those 4 things. Which leads us to truth number 2, which is the support paradox. Every single tennis player in the world's top 50 has at least one coach, usually a few. Even Michael Jordan, the GOAT, hired an additional personal coach named Tim Grover on top of his regular team coaches. And that was back in the 90s when no athlete was hiring additional coaching. Today, it's the norm. Yet entrepreneurs often hit success and think, all right, I got it. I can take it from here. And the truth is, yes, you can take it from here. But you're unlikely to get the world-class results you're truly capable of without the support of one or more coaches. That's just a fact. And here's the third truth. The daily decay. Your mindset is like compound interest in reverse. You skip the daily maintenance and everything starts declining. It's like when you stop brushing your teeth. All of a sudden your gums start hurting and you start eating things and it hurts. But when an entrepreneur stops doing the daily mindset work, first your energy drops, then your decision weaken, and then your team feels it, and finally your revenue shows it. And that's what happened to this entrepreneur I mentioned at the beginning. This is exactly why I'm hosting the Self-Image Alchemy Workshop on Thursdays at 12 noon Eastern Time. These are live workshops where you'll discover the exact mindset framework that helped double my clients' 7-figure revenue before they tried to go solo, help to build unshakable clarity and commitment, daily practices for maintaining peak performance state, and the secret to quantum leaping your revenue this year. But I need to be crystal clear. This is for serious coaches, consultant, high-ticket offer owners, agency owners, and educators who want to quantum leap their growth this year. Click the link in the comments to register. I usually do 20 to 50 spots at a time, so check if there's any left. I do this on Thursdays, it's live, and this is to your exponential growth. Mark, the Millimonth Mentor, Dharma. P.S. My client who tried going solo, we're working together again and we're ready to hit $1 million a month in revenue this year, while achieving an improved 40% profit margin. So don't wait for your expensive coaching call. Click the link in the comments and I'll see you on Thursday.